Hi, my name is Kevin Darty. Welcome back to another adventure in everyday agriculture. And today we're talking pollinators. For our K through 3 students, you're going to start off with a phenomenal read aloud by Eric Carle. You actually hear the author reading the story, The Very Hungry Caterpillar. I want you to look for the changes that take place from that caterpillar as it becomes a butterfly. It's going to start as an egg before it becomes a caterpillar, not just any caterpillar, but a very hungry caterpillar, before it turns into Carl calls it a cocoon, but it's really called a chrysalis, before it finally emerges as a butterfly. Watch for those stages and realize the stuff that he eats in the video, yeah, those are just made up, but I want you to look for what caterpillars might eat around here before they become butterflies and moths in Illinois. Our activity for you guys is to take a couple of snack-sized Ziploc bags. You probably have a couple snack-sized Ziploc bags around. And all butterflies actually have 4 wings. So you're going to take 2 of them, and then we're going to put some tissue paper. I've got some shredded tissue paper in here. But you could take some different colored pieces of paper. You could color pieces of paper and put in here. But we're going to put some tissue paper inside our Ziploc bags. Inside both of them, all right? And then we're going to seal them up, and if you take them and you seal them up and you tie them off with a pipe cleaner, if you have a pipe cleaner or maybe a clothespin, you could use a piece of string, but we're going to use a pipe cleaner because we can take these and we can turn the pipe cleaner around, and all of a sudden it'll look like we have our very own bagged butterfly. That'll give you something to stick in the window on a cool rainy April morning. So that's our bagged butterfly for our younger students. For our older students, I want you to watch a video on bees. Bees are another type of pollinator, and we need to take care of the bees as well as the butterflies and how bees communicate. Your communication might have been different now. You aren't necessarily talking to your friends as much. You might have to use the phone. You're probably using Facebook Live or using FaceTime, those type of things. But bees communicate as well, and they don't get a chance to use the words. Instead, they do a dance. It's a waggle dance. I want you to look at the waggle dance and to see exactly what happens there. Now, for our STEM students, we're going to talk about what are bees and butterflies, what they're attracted to. And they're attracted to food that has pollen and has nectar. We're going to talk about flowers and the different parts of a flower. Take a leftover water bottle, wash it out, clean it out, take some scissors and cut the bottom off. Then what you've got is you'll have an empty side of the bottle, and then we're going to take with the instructions, take a pipe cleaner and use some tape in the bottom of the lid, and I want you to construct the flower, and you could make the flower and talk about the different parts of a flower. So I want you to use a water bottle to determine what the different parts of a flower are. Talk a little botany, talk a little bit about what goes on with those pollinators. With that, thanks for joining us, and we'll see you tomorrow for a little bit more everyday agriculture.